Samsung just dropped the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Everyone's talking about it, but Xiaomi is quietly gearing up to launch a foldable that, on paper, might actually beat it, and almost nobody's covering it yet. Let's talk about the Xiaomi 18 Fold. Xiaomi has officially confirmed this phone exists. It's dropping the old Mix Fold name entirely. This is the Xiaomi 18 Fold now, part of the same family as the Xiaomi 18, 18 Pro, and 18 Pro Max. Launch is locked in for September 2026 in China first, with pre-orders already open there. Whether it comes global, it is still unconfirmed. Here's what makes this phone actually interesting. It's the debut device for Xiaomi's new in-house chip, the XRing O3. This isn't a Qualcomm or MediaTek chip. It's Xiaomi's own silicon, built on TSMC's 3nm process with 24 billion transistors packed in. Basically, Xiaomi built a chip specifically to prove it doesn't need Qualcomm anymore, and they chose the Fold as the flagship showcase for it. Leaked images have already surfaced. Book-style design, wide inner screen similar in shape to the Z Fold 8, punch-hole selfie camera, and a large rear camera module. Rumored specs point to a 7.76-inch inner display and a 6.56-inch outer display, both LTPO with up to 120Hz refresh. Camera-wise, expect a 200-megapixel main sensor. Battery is rumored around 6,000 mAh with 67-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. Solid numbers for a foldable form factor, where battery space is always tight. Please note, none of the hardware specs are officially confirmed yet. Only the chip and the September timing are locked. So bottom line, Xiaomi seems to be making a real statement here. Do you think this phone could rival the Samsung Z Fold 8? Are you considering buying it? Let me know. This has been Perfect Perception, and I will catch you on our next video.